Now, there are times in our area throughout the spring, summer, and fall that's very comfortable to sit outside on your deck or patio enjoying all that Mother Nature has to offer. But there are times when a little overhead weather protection is nice as well. And that's why Mike Washington and the team at Ivy League Construction is excited to introduce a new product they are offering to help make outdoor living enjoyable in all types of weather conditions. Mike, good to have you here.
Yeah, thanks for having us back.
And I'm excited to hear about a luxury pergola. I don't even know what a pergola is, so why don't you tell me what a pergola is and what a luxury pergola is?
So Luxury Pergola, that's the manufacturer of this new pergola system that we're putting out. It's a fantastic system. We looked high and low. Last couple of years, we were really experiencing what would be the best for our area. This pergola, it's all aluminum, it's all powder coated, all the fasteners are stainless steel. It has wind load capacity up to 200 miles an hour, so uplift, even when the shades are closed. That has, the construction of it is just amazing. It's thicker than most. The louvers that go on top, they're all motorized, okay? So every one of these pergolas actually have motorized louvers on the very top of it that can open and close. It's a really interesting project with very minimal expense to be able to get a 10 by 15 or a 20 by 20 cover, but you're not necessarily attaching it to the house and having to go through all of the constraints that we run into in the building code sometimes that has to do with that. You can also put it on concrete. You can put it on top of a deck. There's applications you can put it on an open patio. There has, some mainly residential, some commercial applications that can, it's a really cool product.
Yeah, they look great. And they're custom sized, right, for the property or the space?
They are. They're all custom sized. They're actually custom sized down to the nearest inch. Comes with all sorts of accessories. Comes with fans, comes with LED lighting, comes with TVs that you can put on, and the mounts comes with heaters. So you can use these well into the fall and early spring. So you can really get your outdoor living going quicker now because of those heaters. They're great around pools, little cabanas, or if you have a hot tub to cover a hot tub. Still be able to let the air in because the sides are open. But hey, if you're out there in the snow or rain, you can actually be sitting under it and stay completely dry. There's a built-in gutter system. When the louvers are closed, the water actually drains and it goes down through one of the posts, so you don't really see it.
Wow, that's. I was going to ask, how does this hold up if there's weather there with the open air? But they close now, and you mentioned snow, so these are up year round.
These are up year round. You don't have to take them down. They stay out the whole year. Up to 15,000 pound capacity with the snow, so they're rated for our weather. They're rated for the whole country. It's a U.S. made product. It's really great, right in Indiana. Gets shipped in weekly. Right now they're running between 4 and 6 weeks once we order one. It's a really interesting product if you're looking for some cover, but not necessarily looking to add a patio to the back of your house or a roof system. That's going to be very expensive.
Yeah, and what about warranty for these?
Lifetime. It's not 5, it's not 10-year warranty. You see a lot of these big box stores that are carrying these pergolas. It's not the same thing. This is a lifetime warranty. All the parts are warranted on it for the life as long as you own it.
All right, I can hear the excitement in your voice about this product. They look amazing, and who better to put it in than Ivy League Construction, the most trusted name in home improvement for your exterior and interior needs. To find out more about all the services they offer, including the new luxury pergola options for your outdoor living space, head to their website, ivyleagueconstruction.com. Give them a call, 875-8654, and they always offer great financing options on all projects as well.